Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore an exciting financial concept called the time value of money, or TVM. Have you ever wondered how much $1,200 invest at 12% interest over 10 years would grow? Stick around to find out. First, let's talk about the time value of money, TVM. TVM is a fundamental financial principle. A state money available now is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity. We can affirm that this is the foundation of investing and finance. So now, imagine, let's draw a line here, and we have N, I, PV, PMT, and FV. So imagine you invest $1,000, $1,200 initially. We write down here $1,200 under the PV. And you earn 12% interest rate over the 10-year period. So N is 10 years. And the payment is going to be 0. And now, how much interest will you earn in those 10 years? Okay, we don't know the future value yet. So this is our information that we have in the problem that we have to solve. So now, solution. So now here we will have, in order to solve this problem here, we can use the future value formula. A state that FV equals PV times 1 plus the interest rate raised to the n power. So using this formula here, we can calculate the future value. And FV is the future value of the investment. PV is the present value. I is the interest rate. And the N is the number of period. In this case, 10 years. So now, if we input all the value that we have in this formula, so we will have the future value equals to $1,200 multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate. The interest rate is 12%, but we have to convert the 12% on decimal. Okay, is gonna be 12 divided by 100 equal to 0.12. Okay, that's what we're gonna write here, 0.12. Okay, all what we have inside the parenthesis over here, we have to raise it to 10 power. Okay, so using a financial calculator, we find that the FV equals to $3,726.96. Okay, this is the future value. So now we can also use a financial calculator to make this calculation. For example, we can use a financial professional calculator. Okay, we will have to input. Let's say we have our inputs. We have N. We have the interest rate, the present value. We have the PMT and FV. So in this case over here, we have our input is, let's write it here, inputs. Okay, so we have the input is, this is 10 years. We have the interest rate 12%. We have the present value, it was minus 1,200. Why minus? Because we are taking money out of our pocket. Okay, so now this one here is 0, and we will compute. What we're gonna be computing here is the FV. So FV is 3,000. $726.96. Okay, so now we can use also Excel to make this calculation. Calculate the interest earned. Okay, so the interest earned is interest earned equals to the future value minus the present value. That will be $3,726.96 minus $1,200. Okay, so the interest earned will be, let's make this calculation, and the interest earned will be $2,526.96. Okay, so this is the interest earned on this investment in a 10 years period. So as you can see, this example highlights the power of compound interest and the time value of money. So you can use this kind of calculation if you are investing for retirement or just look to grow your saving. So understanding this time value of money can help you make a smarter decision, the smarter financial decision. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy investing.